Today we will discuss the concept learning task. For this, we first understand the concept. What is concept? Concept is a subset of objects or events defined over a larger set. Okay. So subset, what do you mean by subset of an object or subset of a larger set? Suppose we have a subset, we have a larger set. Suppose this is a larger set called animal. And in this larger set, suppose there is a subset that is called bird. So this bird is a subset of this larger set of set that is called animal. So concept is a subset of a object, right? Now, concept is a Boolean valued function over this larger set. Why we call this Boolean valued function? Because any animal, whether this animal is belong to this category bird or not, it will return the Boolean value, whether the particular value for the animal for this concept is true or false, whether this animal is a member of this category bird, this subset bird, or not. So it concept is returning the boolean value function. How we represent this boolean value function? Suppose concept is, we represent the concept as C, suppose, and there is a data object that is X. Okay, so in the notion that any object belongs to the concept or not. Okay, so this X belongs to this C concept or not. How we can understand this? That X belongs to a concept, X belong to a concept C, or we can say that X doesn't belong to this concept C. So it returns the Boolean valued function. Boolean valued function means whether the object belongs to a particular concept or the object does not belongs to the concept. Okay. So if the, how we will represent this, whether the object belongs or not. So we represent this with the help of a label. Okay. So we represent this with the help of label. How we represent this? X belongs to a concept C. If it is belonging to some concept, then the label will be 1. Or we can say if it is belonging to a concept, any object, then it is a positive. Or we can say it returns true. Okay, so if the object, any object, suppose X belongs to a particular concept C, then the label will be 1 or +1 or true, any one. Okay, in the same way, this object X, if doesn't belong to the concept C, then label will be 0 or negative or false. Right? So this is all about the concept. What is concept? Concept is a subset of an object, and whether this object belongs to a particular concept, we will label this. Okay, so this is the representation of the label. And now what this concept learning task will do, this concept learning task this concept learning task will automatically inferring The general definition of the concept means if we need to identify any animal, then this concept learning task will automatically inferring ki whether this animal is particularly belongs to that particular concept, that is we assumed in this diagram bird. Okay, so whether this animal is a member of this concept or not. Let us take another example of this concept learning task. Suppose there is a concept good days for water sports. Okay, so this is our concept good days for water sport. So the value, we know that concept will return the boolean value. So value may be yes, good, it is a good day, or no, no. So value will be yes or no, right? And this concept, good days for water sports, this concept will have certain features or attributes. Attributes or features. Every concept will have certain attributes or features. In this case, good days for water sports, the features or attributes may be the sky, okay, and air temperature. Next attribute of this concept may be humidity, wind, water, forecast. So there may be certain features of this concept, and these attributes will have certain values also. So sky can have the value, sky attribute can have the value, uh, sky may be sunny, maybe rainy, maybe cloudy. So these can be the value for the attribute sky. In the same way, the value for air temperature may be warm, cold, and the value for humidity may be normal, high. The value for wind, the value can be more than 2 also here for humidity, for air temperature, but here we are just for understanding taking two values for the attributes. So wind के लिए we can take the value strong, weak. Water value is warm, and cool. And for forecast, values, can write here values because we have more than one values, same or change. Okay, so these are the attribute of a concept, and attributes can have certain values. We can represent this as a training set because this is a training set. So we can represent this, suppose sunny, warm, high, strong, warm, same will result the value yes. Okay, so all the conjunction of these at values of the attribute sunny, warm, high, strong, warm, same will results the value yes. So these are the input and this will return the output yes. We can represent this in the form of a table also. In this table we will take certain attributes: day, sky, air temperature, humidity, wind, water, forecast, water sport. We will draw a table for this. Day 1, sky may be sunny. Warm, air temperature, humidity may be normal. Strong, warm, same, yes. For day 2, it is sunny, warm, high, strong, warm, same, yes. For day 3, suppose it is rainy, cold, high, strong, warm, change, no. For day 4, it is sunny, warm, high, strong, cool, change, and yes. So this table representing here the positive and negative training examples for the target concept enjoy water sports. Okay, so in this table, uh, we have put all the attributes and its values in the tabular form, and here we are representing that this is our training set, and in this training set we are representing some positive and negative examples. What are the positive and negative examples here? Like day 1, day 1 is sunny, warm, normal, strong, warm, same, and it results the yes, it results here water sports, yes. Okay, it means ki all these attributes belongs to the concept water sport. Okay, so next is a sunny, warm, higher, day in day 2, sunny, warm, higher, strong, all these attributes, all these values are also belongs to the concept water sports. This is yes, as I told you earlier that we, if the if the object belongs to that concept, then we say positive or yes, or we will represent this with one, means ki we can also write a positive, this is a negative, this is positive. Okay, because rainy, third day is a rainy, cold, high, this set of values doesn't belong to the concept water sport. Okay, so this set is not belonging to this, so this is a no. And so this no is a negative training example, and all which are generating this yes value is a positive training examples. It means this day 1 and day 2 and day 4 are the positive training examples, and this day 3 is a negative training example. Okay, so this is all about the concept and concept learning task.